So hello everyone, very warm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today we are learning about the drugs for pediatrics UG and PG practical viva examination. So myself Dr. Mangi Kothari, I'm the pediatrics. So here I am to help you all to remember and top your examination. So watch this video before your viva examination. So here we are starting. This is paracetamol syrup. As you can see, 125 mg in 5 ml. Here you can see paracetamol injection 150 mg per 1 ml. And here you can see paracetamol in tablets 500 mg in 1 tablet. So what are the uses of paracetamol? So fever of any cause, mild to moderate pain. Dose of oral syrup and tablet is 10 to 15 mg per kg per dose. You can use every 6 hourly. So 10 to 15 mg per kg per dose. Maximum you can use is 60 mg per kg per day, and some guidelines allow to 90 mg per kg per day for short-term use under supervision because it can cause hepatotoxicity. So what are the side effects of paracetamol? It is generally very safe and well-tolerated drug, but it can cause hepatotoxicity in overdose. So hepatotoxicity, eruption, rash or allergy it can cause. Anaphylaxis, but it is rare. Tummy upset, nausea, vomiting. So your mnemonic is HEAT. For paracetamol. So here we learn next drug. This is zinc acetate oral solution, 20 mg in 1 ml, 5 ml, 20 mg in 5 ml. This is zinc sulfate oral solution. So as you can know, zinc is used in diarrhea condition with ORS. So what are the uses of zinc for acute diarrhea? WHO and UNICEF recommendation for zinc syrup less than 6 months है तो 10 mg per day. Less than 6 months 10 mg per day 2.5 ml देना है for 14 days, and 6 months to 5 year of age में 20 mg per day 5 ml for 14 days. Given once daily irrespective of diarrhea duration. Uses of zinc syrup: treatment of acute diarrhea, reduces duration of diarrhea and severity of diarrhea, prevention of recurrent diarrhea for next 2 to 3 months, supports immune function, growth and healing, and used in zinc deficiency states and malnutrition. So these are the use and dose and of zinc syrup. So here we next learning ORS, oral rehydration salt. Each sachet to be dissolved in 1 liter of clean water. So what is this the oral rehydration therapy ORT? तो उसका composition क्या है? तो sodium chloride 2.6 gram, glucose 13.5 gram, potassium chloride 1.5 gram, trisodium citrate 2.9 gram. So total osmolarity of this new ORS is 245 milliosmol per liter. So low osmolarity ORS is the standard and preferred over older high osmolarity ORS. So this is 245 osmolarity and it contains sodium chloride, potassium chloride, trisodium citrate and glucose. So you have to remember this all amount per liter. पीडियाट्रिक डोज ऑनगोइंग डायरिया है, रिहाइड्रेशन फेज में यूज करना है, तो लेस देन 6 मंथ एज में 50 to 100 ml ORS देना है. 6 months to 2 years में 100 ml to 200 ml देना है per loose stool. 2 to 10 year में 200 to 400 ml and more than 10 year में as much as wanted. Give frequent small sips of ORS and continue breastfeeding and food. This is plan A. The easy with no dehydration. तो इसमें ORT देना है, oral rehydration therapy. Now plan B for dehydration. This is for some dehydration. 75 ml per kg over 4 hours देना है. Reassess after 4 hours and adjust based on condition. So discard solution after 24 hours of making this solution, and child is in shock or in severe dehydration with altered consciousness needs IV fluids. अगर पेशेंट शॉक में है या फिर severe dehydration में है तो IV देना है, लेकिन अगर some dehydration बच्चा एक्टिव है orally ले सकता है तो 75 ml per kg over 4 hours orally ORS देना है. So next drug is albendazole. Albendazole is 200 mg in 5 ml. This is albendazole tablets 400 mg in 1 tablet. So what are the uses of albendazole? Albendazole uses intestinal helminths, roundworm, hookworm, pinworm, whipworm. More than 2 year age में 400 mg single dose orally and 1 to 2 year age में 200 mg single dose orally. Tissue helminth में भी albendazole का यूज है. हाइड्रेटेड डिजीज एंड न्यूरोसिस्टिक सर्कोसिस. हाइड्रेटेड डिजीज मतलब इकिनोकोकस होगा तो उसमें albendazole का डोज है 10 to 15 mg per kg per day in 2 divided doses 28 days with after 14 days breaks. तो 3 cycles देना है. So 3 cycles देना है, लेकिन 14 days के ब्रेक में देना है. 10 to 15 mg per kg per day in 2 divided doses 28 days देना है, then 14 days का ब्रेक, then 28 days देना है, then 14 days का ब्रेक, then 28 days देना है. तो 3 cycles देना है. हाइड्रेटेड डिजीज में. न्यूरोसिस्टिक सर्कोसिस में मतलब टीनिया सोलियम 15 mg per kg per day in 2 divided doses day 3 onwards देना है for 7 to 14 days. So this is caused by टीनिया सोलियम. Mass deworming programs में albendazole in school health programs. Always administered with food, especially fatty milk, to enhance absorption of albendazole tablet. So what are the side effects of albendazole? So it is remembered by headache, HEAD-A. Hepatotoxicity, eosinophilia or allergy, abdominal pain, dizziness and alopecia. So here is hepatotoxicity, eosinophilia, allergy is important. So these are the uses of albendazole tablet. Next is metronidazole. Metronidazole injection, as you can see, 500 mg metronidazole in 100 ml, 5 mg per ml, 5 mg in 1 ml. This is metronidazole injection. So what is the use of metro injection? Uses in anaerobic infection, brain abscess, peritonitis, pelvic infection, amoebic liver abscess with oral follow-up, and Clostridium difficile colitis. Amoebic liver abscess and anaerobic infection like brain abscess, peritonitis and pelvic infection. So these are the use of metronidazole injection. In neonates less than 7 days, loading dose is 15 mg per kg IV and then 7.5 mg per kg every 12 hourly is given. In infants and children more than 7 days देना है तो 7.5 mg per kg per dose IV every 8 hourly. TDS देना है. यहाँ डोज है 15 and 7.5 year doses 7.5 mg per kg per dose IV TDS. What are the side effects of metronidazole? Nausea, vomiting, metallic taste, diarrhea, headache, dizziness and seizures, which is rare.